Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to cover one of the most important foundations of working with NumPy: how to create arrays in different ways. NumPy stands for Numerical Python. It's a powerful library used for working with arrays, performing numerical operations, and speeding up your code when working with data. In data analysis, we often deal with large datasets, and NumPy makes operations on them faster and more efficient than regular Python list. It also acts as the backbone for many of the popular libraries like Pandas, Scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. Arrays are the building blocks of NumPy, and knowing the right way to create them can make your data analysis much more efficient. We'll go through several functions like array, arange, random, and more, all with clear explanations and examples. So let's jump right in. If the library is not already installed, use the below command to install it. Once NumPy is installed, import it into the Python code using the below command. To check the version of NumPy, following command can be used. Alias can also be used for convenience. Now, this is a zero-dimensional array, also known as scalar, which represents a single value. To check the dimension of the array, use the below function. Similarly, for creating one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, or n-dimensional array, list can be used. For creating a 4 or n-dimensional array, NumPy's ndmin argument can be used. It allows to effortlessly create multi-dimensional arrays. Let's explore how it works by creating a 4-dimensional NumPy array and verifying its dimension. NumPy allows creation of new array filled with zeros and ones by using the .zeros and .ones function. To create two-dimensional array of zeros and ones, use the following approach. Zeros and ones are quick ways to initialize arrays. Fulfills the array with any value you choose. In this case, we have created 2 cross 2 array filled with 7. I is another function that creates an identity matrix often used in linear algebra. An identity matrix is a square matrix where the elements on the main diagonal are ones and other elements are zeros. To create an array that consists of evenly spread numbers, linspace function of NumPy can be utilized. Here 0 represents the starting range, 20 represents the ending range, and 3 represents the return value. Random module is used to have random numbers in an array. It can be used to generate a single random number, multiple integer random numbers, random float numbers, and random numbers using normal distribution, etc. This will return a single random value between 1 and 30. Now let's use the random function to randomly generate a 1D array. It will return 3 random values between 1 and 30. Now let's see the generation of 2D array. This will generate a 2D array containing 2 rows and each row containing 2 elements. To generate a NumPy array of random numbers using a normal distribution, randn function can be used. There is another interesting function, choice, which can be used to generate a NumPy array. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial on array creation in NumPy. I hope this helped you understand the different methods and when to use them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Python and data science content. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.